Hey, okay, so on example 9, all right, it's asking us to find the points at which the graph, this graph right here, has either a horizontal, blah 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 blah, or vertical tangent lines. Okay, well, we got to take the derivative first to find out. All right, so here we go. So the derivative left hand side, 2x plus product rule for like the fourth time now. So we've got x dy dx. Oh, I said earlier I was going to use primes. Let's do that. All right, let's call these. Just, you can do it this way too, and it's perfectly acceptable. You can call them y primes. All right, I said I was going to do that, never did. So first times derivative of the second, derivative of y is y prime. All right, plus the second times derivative of the first, derivative versus 1. All right, plus 2y, y prime. So that's a little bit quicker. You can use that if you like, equals 0. All right. So then the y prime's on one side and everything else on the other. So on the right-hand side, I'll have negative 2x minus y. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to factor out y prime from those two, and that's going to be an x plus 2y. All right. So my slopes, or y prime, same thing, is negative 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. Okay, cool. Okay, so what I want to know then is for my horizontal tangent lines, I want to know when this slope, this fraction is equal to 0. Well, that would happen. All right, so for horizontal, okay, that would say have negative 2x minus y equals 0. Okay, which means that y would equal negative 2x. So that's going to happen whenever y equals negative 2x. Okay. And then on the vertical, that's when their denominator is going to equal 0. All right. And so that would be whenever x plus 2y is equal to 0, or y is equal to negative 1 half x. Right. Subtract the x, divide by 2. So negative 1 half x. All right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just go back to the original equation and find the horizontal ones by setting all the y's equal to negative 2x. Okay, so that'll give me x squared plus x times, instead of y, negative 2x. Okay, plus negative 2x squared. And that's going to equal 27. Okay, and so let's keep going. So this is going to be x squared minus 2x squared plus 4x squared, whenever that's equal to 27. Okay, and so what do we got here? 1 minus 2 plus 4 is 3x squared. So 3x squared equals 27. Now we're rolling. That would be when x squared is equal to 9. And that means whenever x is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, so we'll substitute in a second, see exactly what the y's would be. You can kind of see, looks like it's probably going to be 6 and negative 6, but we'll be sure of that. All right, and so this one a little bit tougher, but same idea. So x squared plus x times negative 1 half x. Okay, we'll deal with that in just a second. And then plus negative 1 half x squared. When is that equal to 27? And it looks like these are going to be 6 and negative 6, but I mean, you can see it on the graph, but we're going to make sure of that. Oops, forgot to change it back to red. Okay, so then, all right, so what we got here then? So we have x squared minus a half x squared. Okay, and this is a screw up right here. This is supposed to be out here. All right, so 1/2 squared is 1/4, and so that's going to be plus a 1/4 x squared. Equals 27. All right, so forgetting anything? Nope, looks good. All right, so this is well, these two together. Well, all right, so 1 minus a half, negative 1/2, negative 1/2 plus a quarter. All right, is negative 1/4, right? No. So sorry. 1 minus a half's a half. A half plus a quarter is 3/4. There we go. Now we're talking. So 3/4 x squared equals 27. Okay. Multiply by both sides by 4/3. Okay, that's going to be x squared equals 36. Right? 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So that gives me x of plus or minus 6. Okay, so then the thing left to do is to find out what the y values are. All right, so when x is 3, all right, where to go? All right, so when x is 3, we're out of room. So when x is 3, I've got 3 squared plus 3y plus y squared equals 27. So we have a little quadratic there to solve. And then likewise, whenever x is 6, we're going to have 6 squared plus 6 y, or minus 6y, plus y squared equals 27. Okay, and so this thing's going to factor nicely. So we've got y squared plus 3y, and then that's 9 minus 27. 9 minus 27. This is for the x equals 3. So, oh, sorry. So negative 18 equals 0. All right, and that factors as y plus 6 and y minus 3.